Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing bottlenecks. Free at least 2 gigabytes of storage and force close background apps so RAM is available. Once done, enable your phone's performance profile and set the display refresh to the device maximum for smoother frames. Make sure Fortnite and your operating system are updated to get rendering and latency fixes. These steps reduce microstutters and CPU contention immediately, so the game can use full resources rather than fighting other processes. You now tune Fortnite's internal profile. Pick low or performance quality and set FPS to the highest stable value your device can maintain, usually 60 or 90. Then turn off dynamic shadows, heavy post-processing, and any VSync equivalents to cut GPU load. On Android, open developer options and limit background processes to 1 or 2. This prevents sudden RAM pressure. Together, these settings lower thermal load and frame variance, so you maintain consistent input responsiveness. You finish by fixing the connection and thermal behavior. Switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band or use a wired Ethernet adapter to aim for under 50 millisecond latency. Disable VPNs and ensure your router prioritizes gaming traffic if possible. Remove phone cases to improve cooling. If issues persist, clear Fortnite's cache or reinstall. Alternatively, lower the FPS target to stabilize rendering. Troubleshooting tip: if the device overheats, immediately reduce graphics and frames. Thermal throttling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.